During the World Environment Day, the foreign minister did write about a greener foreign policy for India. Could you elaborate on the greener foreign policy?
Yes, so again, we discussed that sustainability and climate change are really real issues which we all of us have to work upon. And India has always been very, very active in terms of domestic and international engagement. Now, and this is not for any other interest, but we know that it is in our interest to do so, and also everybody's interest to collaborate upon. So that's the fundamental premise. Now, if we look at the things that are going on in India, there's really transformational in terms of cleaner energy transition and sustainability practices that are being introduced. So we have committed very, very strongly, including at the Paris COP, and we have been raising the ambition of our climate action very, very significantly. And now we hope to implement or achieve a capacity of renewable energy of 450 gigawatt by 2030. It's a very big number, and it will really transform our situation and have an impact internationally. Again, we talked about the scale. So when we talk about, let's say, adoption of LEDs in India, it is almost equivalent to 40 million tons of carbon dioxide emission reduction every year. In recent years, 80 million new households are being provided cooking gas, for example. So that's cleaner, smoke-free kitchens and reduce the pollution. International Solar Alliance, afforestation at the domestic level, or trying to reverse the biodiversity loss. The numbers of tigers and lions in India and elephants is increasing. At an international level, of course, the International Solar Alliance, the LEAD IT, we are also working on the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, again, which has relevance to this, and these memberships are expanding. So many areas we are working on, and if you see the multilateral environment agreements, so whether it is UNEP or not UNEP but UNCCD or the Convention on Migratory Species, India is currently the president of the Conference of Parties on such initiatives or such multilateral agreements, and we are contributing very significantly to the advocacy and to the way forward. So we are playing a part, and if we now look at let's say our development partnership, I spoke briefly upon how it depends on the priorities of our partners. In my previous station, we implemented the launch of a public transport system, and the new metro was inaugurated in 2019. That is a big transformation for all the parties concerned. It reduces congestion, it reduces the carbon emissions, and it is the first time that Indian companies have been able to implement a metro project outside. We are working very closely with many partners on solar energy programs, on wind energy programs. Many of the important buildings that are being constructed with partners are clean and energy efficient buildings. So all these things are now built in, and these aspects of how to have a more sustainable solution or train people for sustainability practices or have impact on the global warming issues. So whether you see domestically, international initiatives or our development partnership efforts, these are moving very clearly towards a greener and cleaner technology issues, and that is what I think it is meant when we say that we are moving towards greener foreign policy, and there is no contradiction because our domestic and external actions are in sync in that. So I think that is the way to go.
Right.